Saving alone will not make you wealthy. If your money is not growing, it's slowly losing value. Most people think investing is risky. In reality, not investing is the real risk. Investing is putting money into things that grow over time. Businesses, funds, assets, money working while you sleep. Common beginner mistakes: chasing quick profits, following hype, investing without emergency savings. That's gambling, not investing. Before you invest, you need 3 things first. 1. Emergency fund. 2. No high-interest debt. 3. Patience. Here are beginner-friendly investing options. Beginners should start boring. Index funds, ETFs, mutual funds. Boring investing beats exciting losses. Apps and websites that help beginners Nigeria and Africa. Cowrywise, mutual funds plus autosave investing. RiceVest, dollar investments, stocks and real estate. Chaka, stocks and ETFs. Bamboo, global stocks investing global and educational. Investopedia.com. Learn investing simply. Yahoo Finance, Track Markets, Morningstar.com, Fund Research. These platforms remove complexity and lower the entry barrier. Compound interest. Compound interest is slow at first. Then one day it shocks you. Time matters more than timing. A reality check. You should know is that investing won't make you rich overnight, but avoiding it almost guarantees you won't build wealth. And remember, investing always involves risk. This content is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Do your own research and invest wisely. If you want investing explained without hype or confusion, subscribe.